So that's pretty cool. So you've been able to help out all these people throughout your QA career so far, and everything that you've done. What do you feel like are some challenges that you faced, and how have you overcome them?
Wow, for me personally, or like with my students, or
I mean, I would say for you personally.
who? Being a mom, a wife, having my skills, as well as running a company that I care about my students. And when someone is having a hard time, or I see them they're not pushing through, like I think we can safely say what we do works.
Yeah.
But you have to push through. And it's hard when you see, when the opportunities are out there. That's why I purposely do job reviews every Friday, because I'm like, it's money out here, y'all. Like, you are competing against more people, but what are you going to do to shine and let them know that you are the person?
Yeah.
So for me, what's hard for me is I'm very much, I think I'm emotionally attached to my business, and I want to see more success. Like, for me, I would like to see even more success, but I have to realize, like, my husband have to coach me sometimes, because I have to realize that I can't make the student do the work. We show up all year. Like, we have, it's a year program and an option to renew, because we're constantly adding, right?
Yeah.
So at the same time, like, we show up all year, weekly, monthly. We're in the community. I do 10-day internships, and I'll have people go through the program, or they'll join the program, and the year goes up, and they're like, they didn't do nothing. But I showed up all year.